Hello everyone and welcome to Talking Maori. Today I'm going to be talking about something different, We're going to be filming a video from my disc, Magic A. People like, you got basic backgrounds. You see my bed's not made over there and it's fun times. So we're in a place now where everyone's work from home. Why wouldn't you want to work from home? That's the fun thing about life at the moment. Life is great. We don't have all the fancy equipment. I'm recording with my webcam, so we want to film videos. Show you this basic stuff I'm making with. So up there I have a Logitech HD 1080p camera, which is just basic. That's why it's slightly grainy, which is not the best. My light, literally my light above me up here. It literally hangs from the roof and not the best. Yeah, you could use a desk lamp, or you could use. I have a ring light down here too. Use sometimes like this. I use it sometimes. Yeah, it's nice. See, boom. Wow. A bit bright for the camera. Let's turn it down a bit. Now you see me a bit better. But yeah, you got the ring light, which is you don't really need that to be honest. Your camera angle, so try to get above or slightly above my eyelid, which is the kind of thing on my screen. I'm just gonna try to make it easy. I'm recording my camera. I'm recording with OBS, and I'm just using noise gates to press the OBS. And maybe that's the next video for us, The background. The background is just simple. There's a picture. There's a post up on the wall with where I've been in the wall, which currently at the moment is New Zealand and Samoa. So that's all so far. I have stuff on my desk. It's a little bit cluttered. I have like a book about crypto trading stuff and my workout, which is in the back of this one, which is getting there. It's taking time, and I sometimes forget to do it almost. So it's like 10 o'clock at night, and I am struggling sometimes. So my background is just simple. I have a fan behind me. It's kind of plain though. My bed's never made, which kind of sucks. So I've got a fan. I've got the infuser up there with. I think it's this thing from my computer, which is makes my cables all unmatched because I have another hard drive I put in by myself. Yeah, so I use this. I use noise gate and stuff. And yeah, pretty much starting YouTube videos is that simple, that easy, just basic stuff. It may not be the best at the start, but we keep on making more videos and more videos and more videos and more videos, and in time we'll have a good video to watch. Thank you guys. Cheers. Thank you. Thanks for watching Talking Maori.